What is up, guys? This is your bro Paul Suga and welcome to my new vlog. So this vlog will just be a sit-down vlog because I don't have enough money para maglaag-laag. So wala gid ko'y kwarta gid ron, no? Broke as f***. So dili gid ko hilig magbuhat ani nga butang, pero since love man ta mo akong mga viewers, since gusto mong ko nga mag-grow akong channel tapos gusto sad ko nga ma-happy mo, I'll do this. I'll do whatever it takes para mag-grow akong YouTube channel. No, let's do this! While waiting for my special guest daw ko no, para mahuman og set up sa lightings og pag-prepare sa mga gamit na gamitonon para ni nga vlog. Story sa ko sa inyo ha, kay mag-start man tayo in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So hey guys, what is up? So you're now watching my 5th vlog. So karon na ako ang gwapang ate. So introduce yourself.
Hey, this is me, Cindy. So my ugly brother asked for my help kanina.
Ay, ugly brother, uy, lain ka ayo.
Mukha ni mo, uy!
Cut! Welcome to the vlog, welcome to the family. Let's be happy because this video is about to make your day.
Okay, go! Sugda na nato ni. So first things first, you should apply moisturizer. Kay girl, kailangan na to. I'll be using Aqua Moisturizer. So we'll be applying it into face. So, after applying moisturizer, the next thing is primer, of course. So, I'm using Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. So, the purpose of primer is para malasan ang pores na to. So, of course, naman dyan ba na dili gifted of your skin like me and like this ugly picture right here. So, mo siya dapat mag-primer. So, the next thing is, I'll be applying this liquid foundation. So, no brand kay lang.
So we could sell out. Can you hold me down for one night like I got this?
Mura ko barbarian.
So, what I did sinong is nag-contour ko using this LA Pro Concealer. Done blending, so mag-proceed na ta sa concealer.
Minti nga, lang ko katisoy pero minti nga. Ay, di ko niyong tisoy ng putik na ba?
So, after blending the concealer is, I've used this Nichido translucent powder and ito siya. So, I just tap. So, nag-bake. And then, we'll be proceeding to the kilay.
Anyang Nichido.
Hi! So, kilay on. Wait. So, I tried to get rid of this motherfucking hair, but it didn't work. So, yeah. We'll proceed to the eyeshadow.
Mura ko dun yun.
See? So, he's definitely slaying it. Oh my god, I'm so pretty! Iparang sa kulay na itong blender.
Hindi na ako mabayad. Magbayad ko? Magbayad ko? If gusto ninyo nga magbayad ko, smash that subscribe button. Delay out.
So, he's done putting liquid eyeliner and mascara yung pang. So, next is mag-bronzer na ta mga day. Since pobre man me, so, diba? So, we're done sa bronzer and we'll be putting some blush on. So, I'll be using the LOL blush.
Kuya na te, pagod na te.
Nandiyo na makeup doon. Tiis ganda. We're almost done. So, mag-apply na taong lipstick na. I'll be using the Maybelline Nude Nuance, the shade 657 Nude Nuance. Of course, a lip brush.
Kuya na yun is blue.
Ay, okay. Itakon na lang ba? Ayaw gising. So after that, so since matte man nagigamit na ko, no, uga kaayo siya. So I'll be using this metallic lipstick from Victoria's Secret. It's flawless. So dab lang tagamay sa iyang lips like sa tunga lang.
Sa Victoria Plaza nagpalit.
So for our final touch, I'll be using this. It's an eyeshadow from e.l.f. but I'll use this one as our highlighter and using this brush kasi I'm not fan of, you know, using fan brush or like this kind of brush. Oh my goodness, you see that glow? Oh my goodness, girl, you're slaying!
Di na lagi kayo kung sige istorya no, dire talkative man dapat ka sa akong vlog niya karon ikaw may star sa akong vlog.
Pagbuot din ha. So here is our final look.
Balik. Reverse.
But he does it so well. I can see the end as it begins. My one condition is say you'll remember me standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again.
Before this video ends, I would like to thank my sister for this look. So, ang guwapa pa man siguro ko sa kong ate. So, Van Erica Matias, hi Van. This is the video that you've been waiting for. I hope you like this video. I hope na okay rasad niyo kung naong no para sa imo.
12 seconds later.
So after that clip, I took a shower because I felt uneasy. Kabalong kitang tanan no, nga init yung Pilipinas. By the way, this video serves as a celebration for my 100 subscribers. Sa mga taong na-subscribe sa ako, thank you kay guys. I really appreciate it. Especially sa mga supportive friends. Shoutout din kay Mark, Angelo, Abrilo, kay Gio, Herona. If you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button and tap that bell icon. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, share this to your family and friends and whatsoever. This is your bro Paul Sulga signing out.